This is the American Hawaiian butter mochi. This is Chinese milk mochi.
Oh, that is good. Is that milk?
Yes, it's milk
I
mochi.
taste it. Very good. There's Oreo on the outside.
Yeah, American mochi.
Taste egg. So sweet. Really good. I like the outsides.
Which one is better?
It's hard, yes.
If you have to pick one, which one are you gonna pick?
I'll pick.
Hello everyone, this is Jen. Today I'm gonna make mochi, American butter mochi and Chinese milk mochi. Let's start this baby first. For making Chinese milk mochi, we're gonna use non-stick pan over medium heat, glutinous rice flour, tapioca starch, sugar, milk. Mix them together. We have to keep stirring until it's thickening up. Once you see the texture like this, you can turn off the heat. Put this in the pan. Chill in the fridge for about half hour. I'm gonna make 6 flavors of dipping powder for Chinese milk mochi. Oreo cookies without filling. Honey roasted peanuts. So we got a peanuts flavor, coconut flavor, matcha flavor, almonds flavor, Oreo flavor, coconut flavor. Add a powdered sugar. Mix them together. Divide the mochi and dip it in those flavored powder. Now we're gonna move on to American Hawaiian butter mochi. For the wet ingredients, we need 4 eggs, 2 cups milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Dry ingredients: 2 cups of sugar, a box of Mochiko sweet rice flour, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. For the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mix all the ingredients together until they are combined. Add half cup of melted butter and add a can of coconut milk. Now we're gonna dump this mix in the baking pan. Make sure you butter the baking pan. Bake this in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit for an hour. After an hour, American Hawaiian butter mochi is done. Let's cut into it. Look at inside of texture. This is the American Hawaiian butter mochi. This is Chinese milk mochi. Honestly, I love both of them. I had both of them before. The American Hawaiian butter mochi is more like a rice flour cake. It's buttery, soft, and cakey. The Chinese milk mochi is milky and super soft. I love this different kind of flavor dipping powders. Brought so many flavors for the mochi. Let's see how I did it today. I'm gonna eat this matcha flavor. Outside is green, inside is white. So light, not over sweet. I feel like I can't eat all of them. Butter mochi. Sweet and rich. I need a little helper. Let's try the Chinese one first. The Oreo flavor.
Yeah. Oh, that is good.
American mochi. Which one is better? If you have to pick one, which one are you gonna pick?
I'll pick this side.
The butter mochi?
Yeah,
Why?
butter mochi. Because it's really good when you take a bite. Also because it's so sweet. I like the outsides.
He picked American butter mochi because it's so sweet. And then he likes the crust of the butter mochi. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching today's video. 我是卷卷. Please subscribe and like. I will see you next time. Bye!